All corrections.
On the glide slope.
Doing awesome, man. Just keep those corrections nice and small.
Are you looking outside?
Yes. I see the path.
Yeah.
Too white, too red.
Yeah. Is there any auto throttles on this one? Probably not.
I have them off.
But there is on the 700?
There is on all, yeah, 3.7s, yeah. Except the 200. But you're pretty much gone. So as you cross that threshold, Malik, start looking down the far end of the runway,
Okay.
and you can land it just like a 172.
Okay.
Yeah, just like a 172 on the site.
Look down the runway, start your flare, all the way to idle, all the way to idle. Hold it right there. Look at that, man. You just greased that puppy on there.
Get the reverse thrust on?
Yep.
Yeah, we're not
I seen that. I know, I read it.
This is so much better than the 400.
Nice job, man.